Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to upload a photo, swap a graphic or change a visual in your design, Canva lets you replace images in just a few seconds without rebuilding the layouts. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to replace an image in Canva in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, open Canva and log into your account. Open the design you want to edit. So for example, let's choose any design that we have already done before. Okay, make sure the design is ready for updates. Okay, so click on the image in the design, make sure it's highlighted. The image must be selected before replacing. Okay, so you can use Canva Photos, uploaded images, graphics, or icons. So to find a new image, go to Photos or Upload. Okay, like this. Okay, choose an image that fits the layouts. Okay, so there are two simple methods. Method 1, drag and drop, and method 2, use the replace button. Okay, so drag and drop, drag the new image, drop it directly onto the old image. Canva will replace the image and keep the same size and position. And method number 2, use the replace button. Select the image, click replace in the toolbar or the top toolbar and choose a new image. Drag and drop is the fastest method, I think. Okay, so it's the best. So double click the image, reposition or resize inside the frame, and then click done. So this helps center the subject. Okay, and preview the upload design. So check the layouts, make sure the image fits well, and that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.